Today we're going to make Syrniki. It's a traditional Ukrainian breakfast every Ukrainian family grew up making. It's soft and fluffy, full of protein, and so delicious. I know you're going to love it. Let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need some farmer's cheese. You can find this at most grocery stores next to the cream cheese and ricotta cheese. Next, we're going to crack in 2 eggs, add in some sugar, and a pinch of salt to balance out the flavor. This recipe calls for 1 cup of flour. I typically use about half a cup of flour in the batter, but just add a little bit at a time. You don't want it to be too sticky, but also not too dry, just enough so you can shape it. The rest of the flour will be used for coating and shaping the pancakes. Lightly flour your surface. Then I use a cookie scoop to scoop out even portions of the batter. Into the flour, coat it well with flour, and then place it on your cutting board, shape, and then use a dish to help shape the Syrnik pancake. Now heat a pan over medium heat and add your coconut oil. Once it's hot, place a Syrnik into the pan and cook it for about 2 minutes per side. Once your Syrniki are slightly crisp and develop a beautiful golden brown color on both sides, put them on an oven-safe lined baking sheet and then into an oven that is preheated to 350 degrees. Leave them in there for about 5 minutes. Let's do a taste test. These Syrniki make the perfect breakfast, brunch, or quick snack.